Welcome, YouTube friends. We are so grateful that you took your time to visit our channel. Today we will be restoring the crooked wall of our workshop. The work is almost finished. This work has taken us longer than expected because we had bad weather. It's been raining almost every day, and it has been impossible to work under the rain. So welcome and enjoy the video. This is the wall. As far as blocks are concerned, the blocks are well leveled, but the columns and beams, the molds, were opened when the casting was done. Well, this situation caused us a delay in applying the cement on the wall. But nothing, Alex can repair it. The only thing is, it will take longer. So we have to apply an increasingly thick mixture to be able to level the blocks with the columns and the beam. I would like to explain that the reason we download more videos about this work is that Alex wants this work to be archived on YouTube day by day. Friends, thanks to everyone who has subscribed to our channel and has seen the videos. Thank you for your support. This project has been extended more than normal. Wow, almost 2 years. But we continue with great enthusiasm and with the mind programmed to finish it. We won't stop. It would be faster if we worked at least 8 hours a day. We could produce more work, but this kind of work is very hard, and for Alex's age, it's too much of a struggle. It will be very difficult for him to do so, so it is better for him to do it calmly and safely. The routine of this procedure is the same as in the previous videos. Therefore, we do not reveal the details of the work. You can see the other videos for the detail. Even though this project is long overdue, and it has taken us a long time to build, we are very happy to see the progress we have done. We are not contractors. We are doing this project ourselves. We know it is a challenge and very difficult, but we are doing it. It is a spiritual satisfaction because we can see that we can do it. At first, we were undecided out of fear and the thought that we couldn't do it. But we were able to break that fear and leave pessimism behind. If there is something that makes people optimistic, it is precisely the ability to set goals and fight for them. What's more, optimistic people are also realistic. This means that they do not set goals that are beyond the scope of their capabilities or possibilities. Fear is one of the most common thoughts that can delay you to succeed in life. Fear takes over our lives. By putting off important things for later, you take away the worry of what might happen if you do. Ultimately, this will mean that you can never really start your life because you leave the important issues for later. as long as you don't face that fear and responsibility that come with them. Limitations live only in our minds. But if we use our imagination, our possibilities become limitless. No matter how long the storm is, the sun always shines through the clouds again. No dreamer is too small, and no dream is too big. The best dreams happen when you are awake. Believe in yourself. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. There are no limits here. The only limits are the ones you impose on yourself. Dream, believe, and act. Identify what you really want and how you really want to live your life, and act. Start creating the life of your dreams. Start small, dream big, and never give up. Subscribe and share the video. We are happy because the end of this project is approaching. We have little left. Yay! Thanks for visiting us. We are extremely grateful. We will see you in our next video. Bye-bye.